Are you struggling to get professional sounding mixes? Do you wonder if your stock plugins are holding you back? Maybe you're overwhelmed by the hyper on expensive plugins and unsure if they really make a difference. I get it, mixing can feel like a battlefield, and choosing the right tools is half the fight. Hello friend, my name is David Vignola from HomeRecordingMadeEasy.com. Welcome to the website, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Mixing Made Easy Volume 4, the Battle of the Plugins. If you're ready to take your mixes to the next level, then you're in the right place. In this course, we tackle the ultimate question: what's the difference in sound between stock plugins versus third-party plugins? We'll mix a song together from start to finish in real time, not once, but twice. First, we'll use only the stock plugins that come with your DAW, proving that you can achieve incredible results without spending a dime on extra plugins. Then we'll mix it again with some of the most popular third-party plugins in the business from brands like Universal Audio, Solid State Logic, FabFilter, Slate Digital, and many more. You'll see my favorite tools in action, learn a ton of pro-level mixing techniques, and hear the difference for yourself. Getting out of this thing, we couldn't get that with a stock plugin. This is where these tools, I'm so excited to show you this stuff because people ask me this all the time. Stock plugins, third-party plugins. Look, you have more flexibility. You could do so much more with these types of tools. And whether you're a beginner or seasoned mixer, this course is designed for all experience levels. Here's what you'll learn in this course: how to maximize your stock plugins to get a polished radio-ready mix, when and why to buy third-party plugins to help improve your mix, practical tips and tricks to save you time and avoid costly mistakes, and how to compare both approaches side by side to make an informed decision for your budget and your mixing style. By the end of this course, you'll have 2 professional grade mixes and the information you need to help you decide on which plugin tool set you like the best. Okay, buckle up and get ready for this very unique mixing course. Scroll below this video, check out all the course details, and put it in your cart today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via the link at the top of this webpage. I look forward to seeing you all in Mixing Made Easy Volume 4.